you ever wanted to create jaw-droppingly realistic portraits with AI? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using our site. And here is the best part. No Photoshop, no art degree, just a few powerful prompts and boom, hyper-realistic AI portraits in seconds. But stick around, because I'm not just going to give you the basics. I will also share pro-level prompt hacks that most people don't talk about. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright, first things first. Choosing the right AI model is everything. If you want hyper-realistic faces, you need to use a high-quality model like Flux 1Dev. Here is the deal. Not all AI models are made equal. Some are great for cartoons, others for fantasy art, but if you are going for lifelike human faces, go with models trained on high-resolution facial datasets. And here is a little secret. Some custom models on our site are actually better at realism than default ones. So always check for community-trained models if you want next-level details. Now, let's talk about prompts. This is where the magic happens. Most people just type something basic, like realistic portrait of a woman. But let me show you a better way, a better version. Ultra-realistic close-up portrait of a 25-year-old woman with olive skin, sharp facial details, freckles, volumetric lighting captured with Canon EOS R5, professional studio lighting, high-resolution 8K, cinematic depth of field. See what I did there? I added precise age and skin details. This makes AI generate more lifelike results. Photography terms, AI understands Canon EOS R5 better than just high quality. Lighting and focus tricks, volumetric lighting and depth of field give it that photo-like realism. And if you want even more control, here is a crazy hack. Add a specific artist reference. Try portrait in the style of Annie Leibovitz, and AI will mimic that ultra-dramatic high-fashion photography style. Now, let's talk about style, because let's be real, we don't want our portraits to look like every other AI-generated face out there, right? One of the best ways to make your portraits unique is by adding custom styling elements. Let me show you 3 easy tricks. 1. Use fashion and era references. Instead of just saying portrait of a woman, try something like 50s Hollywood actress with vintage curls and red lipstick, studio lighting captured with Leisa M6. Boom. Now you've got that classic old Hollywood vibe. 2. Cinematic and art direction terms. Use words like soft rim lighting for dramatic glow, analog film texture for retro feel, fashion magazine editorial for high-end look. 3. Experiment with mixed mediums. AI can blend different art styles. Try this. Hyper-realistic portrait of a man but with cyberpunk neon lighting inspired by Blade Runner, painted in the style of digital oil painting. Now you've got something that looks like fusion of photography and painting. And here you have it. With these tricks, you can create hyper-realistic AI portraits that stand out from the crowd. Now, I want to hear from you. Try one of these styles and let me know in the comments what worked best for you. And if you have a unique prompt idea, drop it below. Don't forget to hit like if it was helpful, and subscribe for more AI-powered creativity tips. I will see you in the next one. Happy generating!